Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can fix Instagram music isn't available in your region. If Instagram music isn't available in your country, there's nothing much you can do except for this method. So it is going to be by using a VPN. So as you can see, I have a video open, and if I go ahead and try to play the sound, it says Instagram music isn't available in your region. So in order for me to go ahead and fix that, all I can do is go to Play Store and simply go ahead and download a VPN, and I'm gonna finally open it. Once you have done that, you want to simply go ahead and tap on the top right globe icon and just connect to either UK or USA. Finally, once you have connected into your VPN, make sure your Instagram is off, and now simply go ahead and open Instagram again. Now as you can see, I'm back on the same post, and if I go ahead and tap on it, yeah, see, the music is there. I'm not gonna play it for more than a second, but basically this is the only fix you can go ahead and do. But this is not going to be that reliable or that easy to do, because you'll have to go ahead and use VPN every time you're gonna open Instagram, which is going to be annoying. So that is about it on how you can fix your music isn't available in your region. If it helped, feel free to comment down below and let me know. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.